Hey everyone, it is me, Shane Craft. Now today I'm here with my brother, and we're going to be doing a surprise egg unboxing. Yes.
Hold on, let me start my video.
Yeah, he's going to make his video. Be right back. Alright, we both got our cameras rolling at the same time. Let's get this going, shall we?
We're doing a surprise Choco Treasure.
Choco Treasure. It's a chocolate surprise from Penguins of Madagascar.
Things are old too.
No, actually,
Let's go ahead and slice them open.
this is... Alright, I already got mine open.
Oh, I was doing it the wrong way.
If I keep turning and facing this way, then,
He's showing my camera.
yeah, I'm looking at his camera. Ooh, yeah, there is a toy in there.
It's like there's chocolate. It's exactly like a Kinder Egg, but these things are bigger.
These are good.
There's the stuff that you can get on them.
Yeah, here's the stuff you can get. Go ahead and pause it if you want to look. But,
Right here. Here's the egg. It has private,
no, that's, oh, yours has private. Mine has,
skipper, and private.
skipper. No, mine just has, oh, there's private. Yeah.
Skipper, or private, skipper.
I'm going ahead and cracking this thing open.
Crack it open. Wait. Show them.
Doesn't that look good, though? Oh, my goodness.
Ready? Set.
I wonder if it pops open like an egg. We see.
You need a fork.
Yeah, we need a fork. Go ahead. Or knife, yeah.
No.
Okay.
You don't have to take it under those ones, she said.
Yeah.
Spoons are nice.
Oh,
No!
We haven't
we
opened
haven't
them yet.
opened them yet. We're about to, Grandma, though.
Wait.
Oh, I see. Scott, I got it open. I got it open.
Wait.
Looks like I got a little puzzle.
Spoon.
Oh, they're playing cards. Oh my goodness.
Open.
Playing cards. So now I think I'm about to eat.
Is that chocolate?
Yeah.
Mhm.
How'd you get it open?
Italy. That's some good stuff. Yeah, my grandma. Now let's see. Here.
What?
It's one of those capsule toys, so you gotta open it. But you gotta add strength to it. Figure it out.
Got it. I think.
Well, let's see. He can't even get his open, guys. Not at all.
I'll be right back once I can get this open.
He's coming back, but I'm still gonna do my review of the toy. I got a mini package of playing cards. Skipper,
Do it, bro.
can't get it. Oh my god, a little package of playing cards. Look at that. There's like a king, there's a joker. That's actually kind of cool. It's a mini packet of playing cards. Like,
It's nice.
I have a big playing card set.
Oh,
This is cool. Oh, that's cool. See, there's a blank Joker card, just black and white. And then there's this Joker card, and it's all colors. I think that's supposed to be for like a magic trick if you want to do it. And you actually got, oh, that's a sticker sheet.
guys, I got it open. That was a pain, bro. Chocolate came off.
Oh,
That's good, bro.
you guys try some. Yes, try it.
It's a little sticker sheet.
Hold on. Let's see what stickers are on there, shall we?
And it has the checklist.
Well,
So, wait. This is all
oh my God, there's a.
Skylar, would you bring Grandma her purse, please?
Yeah, hold on, be right back.
Dude, the company's logo is inside the plastic egg. It's not a plastic egg, it's chocolate. Well, I guess that's going to be it for my video. If you guys liked it, leave a like and subscribe. Hold on. And subscribe. Peace out, brothers.
Thank you.